About this item: Snowkids flat Cat 8 cable, easy installation and space saving. The Ethernet cable uses an optimized flat nylon braid designed to maximize cable flex and fit perfectly around corners. The best choice for home and office network connectivity. Compared to other round cables, the flat design takes up less space when installed, and is suitable for embedded installations such as carpets, floors, etc. Nylon Cat 8 cable can be used both indoors and outdoors, but outdoors may affect the life of the cable. 40Gbps 2000Mhz Ethernet cable. Snowkids Cat 8 Ethernet cable supports up to 40 Gbps data transmission speed, 4xv.s Cat 7 with 10 Gbps, and 2000 MHz bandwidth, 3xv.s Cat 7 with 600 MHz, ensuring stable network speed for server applications, cloud storage, online HD video streaming, and gaming without any lag or stop. The network cable can solve 99% of network problems for you, and is the best companion for work, life, and games. S/FTP anti-interference design. Snowkids Cat 8 network cables are made of 4 pairs foiled twisted pair, S/FTP, copper wires with 24K gold-plated RJ45 connectors, which is more corrosion resistant on each end. The additional shielding and improved wire twist quality provided by the Cat 8 network cable can better protect the signal quality and prevent problems such as